So good morning dear students. We'll proceed with whatever we had done in the last video, and in this video we are going to discuss one of the long speeches of Portia again. And for better understanding for this particular speech of Portia, it is advisable to divide the speech into three parts. You can divide the entire speech into three parts. The first part, where Portia is asking her musicians to play some music, and she tells that what music would mean if Bassanio loses in the lottery of casket, and what the music would imply if he wins in the lottery of casket. The second part, where Portia goes on to compare Bassanio with Alcidas or Hercules. Why Bassanio is compared with Hercules, and in what ways Bassanio is different from Hercules, we will come to know in that particular part. And the third part is the song itself. Now we know that Shakespeare introduces lyrics in his plays, and this particular play also you will find that the song is introduced here, and this song is not completely out of place. It is very much linked with the theme of the play, and in fact some of the critics even have strong reasons to believe that the song which was sung by the musicians, it gave some hint to Bassanio as to the choice of the casket. So let us discuss the speech, then you will understand. Now when when Bassanio insisted Portia that he must be allowed to make the choice of the casket, then Portia allows Bassanio to go forward for the choice of the casket. So when Bassanio is about to choose a casket in his effort to win Portia as his wife, then uh, Bassanio in fact urges Portia that he should not be further delayed, and that he should be allowed to try his luck by choosing a casket. Then Portia allows him to do so and takes him to the place where the caskets were kept. She informs Bassanio and uh, her attendants to stand aloof so that all the caskets can be made visible to Bassanio. And she also tells Bassanio that her portrait is locked in one of the caskets, and if Bassanio loves her truly, he would be able to choose the right casket. She tells Nerissa and the other attendants to stand out of the way so that Bassanio could go through the inscriptions on the casket before making his choice. So Portia says, "Away then, I am locked in one of them." I am locked in one of them. That means that her portrait is contained in one of the caskets. If you do love me, you will find me out. If Bassanio truly loves Portia, then he will surely succeed in finding out the casket in which Portia's portrait is kept. So, one of the criteria for winning in the lottery of casket is love. So, if Bassanio's love for Portia is true, then he will certainly succeed in finding the casket that contains her portrait. And then she asks Nerissa and all the other attendants to stand all aloof. To stand all aloof means to stand out of the way so that the caskets may be made visible to Bassanio, so that Bassanio could go through the inscriptions on the casket before he makes his choice. While Bassanio advances to go through the inscriptions on the casket, at the same time Portia asks her musicians to play some music. So she says, "Let some music sound while he doth make his choice." So here we need to understand that the treatment that is given to Bassanio is completely different from the treatment which was given to the Prince of Aragon or to the Prince of Morocco, the previous two suitors to Portia. Now here one thing for certain is, now already you know that Portia loves Bassanio and Bassanio also equally loves Portia. And little earlier in the speech, Portia had declared her love towards Bassanio, though it was in an indirect way. So here in this particular part, a highly tensed situation is created because the lottery of casket depends upon the fortune of a person as well. So there were chances that Bassanio may win in the lottery of casket, he may lose in the lottery of casket. And for the lovers, success in love is the be all and end all of their life. If Bassanio loses in the lottery of casket, that would signify the death of Bassanio as well as Portia, because they are true lovers and they cannot live separated from each other. So therefore everybody present in the room was tensed. Portia was tensed because she was unaware that what would be the outcome of the choice of the casket. Even her attendants were tensed because they were also not sure of whether Bassanio will win in the lottery of casket or not. And as far as Bassanio himself is concerned, he is also equally tensed because he also is not aware that what would be the outcome of the lottery of the casket. So in order to release the tension that was created in the scene and provide some hint to Bassanio as regard to the choice of the casket, Portia asked her musicians, she suggested her musicians to play some music. So Bassanio inspects the three caskets and makes his choice. If Bassanio fails to make a right choice, then what would music mean? He says that then if he lose, he makes a swan-like end, fading in music. That the comparison may stand more proper, my eye shall be the stream, and watery deathbed for him. So here Portia means to say that if Bassanio fails to make a right choice, his end would be similar to that of a swan which sings while dying. Now this is an allusion to one of the popular Elizabethan beliefs. The Elizabethans believed that the swan, which has no voice at all, it sings only once, and that is just before it dies. In a similar way, the fading music will accompany Bassanio to his end, just like the swan that sings just before its death. And Portia says that this comparison between a swan meeting its end and Bassanio meeting his end, or Bassanio's failure in his choice, should be regarded as more appropriate in view of the fact that at the time of his death, Portia's eyes would be filled with tears of disappointment, and those tears would thus serve as a stream in which Bassanio, like a swan, would meet his end. So obviously it is understood that if Bassanio loses in the lottery of casket, that would greatly hurt Portia. Portia would be disappointed, her eyes will be filled with the tears, and then the tears of Portia's eyes will form a watery deathbed for Bassanio. So just like a swan dies in the river, same way Bassanio would die in the watery deathbed that is formed by the tears of Portia. However, there is an equal chance of Bassanio winning in the lottery of casket. Now, if Bassanio wins in the lottery of casket, what would music mean then? He may win. And what is music then? then music is even as the flourish when true subjects bow to a new crowned monarch. Such it is are as those dulcet sounds in break of day that creep into the dreaming bridegroom's ear and summon him to marriage. So if Bassanio succeeds in making a right choice, then the music would serve the same purpose as it serves during the time of coronation of a monarch. So the purpose would be served as same as the blowing of trumpets when the loyal subjects bend down humbly and respectfully to a king at the time when he is being coronated. The music then would be as those sweet sounds which are heard at the break of the day that creeps into the bridegroom's room and arouses him from his dreams so that he may get ready for his marriage. So, here again, an allusion is made to the old English custom of playing music under the windows of the bridegroom's bedroom on the morning of a marriage. So, when the bridegroom is about to get married, when he is about to start a new life, he is excited, he is anxious, thinking about his marriage. And same day, the day of the marriage, early morning, the musicians used to stand under the window of his bedroom and play some music so that they can wake the bedroom from his sleep and can invite him to his marriage. So that is what the music purpose would be served by music if Bassanio wins in the lottery of casket. Then we come to the second part of the speech where Bassanio is compared with the Hercules or Alcides. Here Portia says that now he goes with no less presence but with much more love. So this particular part we will be doing in the next video. So this second part will start from the next video. Thank you.